Hello there, welcome to Rajya Sabha TV. Here are all the updates related to coronavirus pandemic. Across the world now, more than 3.6 million people have been infected with novel coronavirus, and the global death tally due to COVID-19 has now crossed the 250,000 mark. The US continues to be the worst affected country. It has more than 1.2 million cases of coronavirus, and the death toll due to COVID-19 in the US is now almost close to 70,000. In fact, yesterday the US reported 1,015 new deaths in one single day, which was the lowest daily death tally in almost a month. And a US top infectious disease doctor has said that the cases of coronavirus in the US could spike again if people do not maintain social distancing norms. Meanwhile, a coronavirus model has suggested that there will be 134,000 deaths in the United States due to COVID-19, and that is nearly double the estimate earlier. Meanwhile, there continues to be a lot of debate on the origin of coronavirus, because US President Donald Trump has been suggesting that the virus originated from a laboratory in China. However, the intel shared among the US allies indicates that the virus did not originate from a lab but from a market in Wuhan in China. And in more news from the US says that it will borrow about $3 billion. This is for the second quarter of 2020 in order to offset the cost of the virus-related rescue packages that have been released. And in more international news, billions of dollars have been raised in the fight against novel coronavirus. So the world leaders yesterday pledged for the development and the deployment of diagnostics, treatment and vaccines against the novel coronavirus. And this was at a virtual conference or a virtual summit that was held yesterday. This summit was co-hosted by EU and several other nations, including Canada, Germany, Italy, Spain, France, Norway and the UK. And now news from Europe. Now, doctors at a Paris hospital claim to have found evidence that one of the patients who got sick in the month of December was actually infected with novel coronavirus. So, the first report of COVID-19 in France was reported in the late January this year. So that means that if these doctors' claims are verified, then it may mean that the virus was circulating inside Europe as early as December. And now news from other parts of the globe. First up, news from Japan. Japan yesterday reported 175 new cases of coronavirus, and that has taken the total number of cases in that country to more than 16,000. So the Japanese healthcare system is under a lot of pressure because of the increasing number of cases of coronavirus. As a result, the Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe yesterday extended the nationwide state of emergency till 31st of May. But two countries that have really shown improvement as far as coronavirus crisis is concerned has been South Korea and New Zealand. Now, South Korea yesterday reported only 3 new cases of coronavirus, and all 3 were imported cases, and this was the lowest daily case tally in almost 1.5 months. And as far as New Zealand is concerned, it yesterday reported not even a single case of coronavirus, and it was second day in a row that no new case has been reported in New Zealand. And Prime Minister of New Zealand, Jacinda Ardern, in a message said that it is an achievement that we all New Zealanders must be proud of, but she told the countrymen to remain vigilant. And now news from China. China yesterday reported only 1 new case of coronavirus, and it was an imported case. Meanwhile, the Chinese media has lashed out at US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo over his remarks about the origin of the coronavirus. So remember, yesterday Mike Pompeo had said that the coronavirus originated from a laboratory in China. As a result, the Chinese media hit out at him, saying that his remarks were insane. So those were all the updates related to coronavirus pandemic from across the world. Thanks for watching.